Meaning of impute.
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 Impute. The term impute typically refers to the process of assigning a value to a variable in a statistical analysis when that value is unknown or missing. This may involve using methods such as regression analysis or mean imputation to estimate what the missing value might be based on other available data. The result of imputing missing values can improve the accuracy and completeness of statistical analyses, allowing researchers to draw more meaningful conclusions from their data. However, care must be taken to ensure that imputed values are reliable and do not introduce bias into the analysis.